It's good, YouTube, man. I can't wait for this one. This is a good one. We want to do this for about 3 years now. So, came all the way from Taiwan. I'm not affiliated with these people. I might be after, after I do this. A lot of people end up joining an affiliate program with them. ZenCleanz, all the way from Taiwan. I crossed out my information. You see that? I had to wait for this to get boom, 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 go through the things. I didn't know I was going to have to pay yell at the people. I didn't realize it, but it is on their website. Made in Taiwan. This is 3-year-old fermented enzymes. This is the ZenCleanz. This is the one. So like a 1 day. I mean, I think it's like 2 days you actually take these supplements and you just load your body with all these enzymes and it completely cleans your whole intestinal tract, the whole gut, everything, resets it. Some people have to do a few of them until you can tell by how your poo and all the stuff that comes out of you, but it gets rid of mucoid plaque. Yes, mucoid plaque. So pretty wild stuff, but I've been waiting for this. It's not cheap. It's not cheap at all. $300. I committed that I was gonna do their 5-element, pretty much their they do the earth, wind, fire, and all that stuff. That we treat the different things. So they got one for the lungs, but the first they recommend that you start because everything is in your gut. You know, we eat, so they say you start with the number 1, the gut. So this is an unboxing. I've seen other people. I've been checking this company out for like a year now. I mean 3 years now. Oh man, it's got all the nutritional stuff on the back. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, it's a load of stuff in here. This is just for like a day, I think. I don't know. It's like a 1 day you pretty much flood yourself, and then the next day you really just let it all out. But you don't eat. You pretty much, the stuff will fill you up with so wow, pretty nice looking. I mean, everything is very dope. The packaging seems really. So you got all these you mix the two things. I think it's like you mix these, like it's like some type of like oil type stuff, and you mix the stuff together somehow. I don't know, I gotta follow the directions, and then you got this stuff in here, the fiber crystals, the bowel reset. But that's like your whole little pack, bam. Chi Tech Nutrition. So this, they say that this is like from like the monks, like these monks. It's like what they do to like reset different things for people. But I'm gonna do my whole thing, my lungs. But first, I'm doing you do the intestinal, then you do the liver. Like this one girl, she had to do her liver like a few times, and I've watched her like in 3 years. She's an older chick. She looks way much more younger and just more vibrant. Everybody I've seen and some of the people I've been following for a while, like not even just because they do this, but the one guy, Santos Bonacci, I've been following him for a long time. And then one time he was like, he did this, and then so he shared about it. And I was like, oh man, let me check it out. And I've just been following the company for a while. I guess I just got to go through here and scan this for the manual. Yep, pretty cool though. I guess it doesn't have directions in here, but that's the whole damn thing, man. $300 for this sucker. I mean, not really 300 because I paid the tax, the thing, the shipping. But if you sign up as like an affiliate or whatever, you get a discount. And so, so I see how that would be recommended if you know what I mean, if you're going to do it. So, I mean, the stuff I've seen people like, it's nasty, come out of their gut, and my gut's been killing me for like some years now. So I'm gonna do this, man. Yeah, man. Let's see. It says yeah, it's like a 1 day jam. Yep. 1 day deep intestinal detoxifier, ultra fermented, whole food, vegan, 3-year fermented, 100% plant-based. Yup. Pretty cool, man. It's really dope, man. I mean, it's nice packaging. You know, I like it. I like it from what I've seen the people post. So, you know, I'm gonna take y'all along on this journey because, look, man, I don't believe we should be gatekeeping. You know, like I said, I'm not getting anything out of this, but I believe health is the wealth. Health is wealth. You know, I want to be here for my son. You know what I mean? I have a kid. I don't know about y'all, but I have a kid, and yeah, man, and I have a lot more life that I would like to live, but gotta keep this engine and this whole thing clean, man. My friend, she owns a place and she does the whole like where they stick the water, like shoot water up and clean your whole thing, like shoot it up your butt and all that stuff, and they'll do these different like x-ray, like sauna, and like just, I mean, I've been there and had some treatments there, and she's broken it down to me. She's like, think about all the food. The one guy said he was vegan. Check this out. It's great. It's gross. He's vegan for a little while, back and forth, but he did the carnivore thing and everything. But he hadn't ate meat in years. He did this ZenCleanz. There was a piece of poop. In his poop, there was a piece of meat that was undigested. That was great. Ugh. That's gross. Think about that. And so that's true when they say that we hit, like they're saying, like when people die, sometimes they'll have like 5-10 pounds of fucking like beet in their like colon. Ugh. So I just want to, I want to cleanse this temple, get everything funky out, any parasites that are in there, if there is, whatever. It's just boom, has no choice. Like people say, oh, is this for parasites? No, I mean, if you did have parasites, it's going to completely get everything out because it completely, take all the way down, it gets everything out of there. So, but I cannot wait to do this. So I'm probably going to start mine. I got to read the directions, figure it out. I think I'm going to do it on Friday or Saturday, depending on if I work. If I work Saturday, I'll do it Saturday. You know, I'll fast all day Saturday, and then, you know, start it Saturday and Sunday or whatever. So can't wait, y'all. And I'm going to take pictures of what comes out of me. You know what I mean? See what it does. I don't know if I'll post it, but, you know, much love, y'all. That's just a little random thing. So I want to share that with y'all too. So peace.